Mntazana nginokuza izinto ezinhle most of the time are attributed to abelungu emasababsini sesilungwini ukuba neat ukuba umlungu ukuba iboss ukuba umlungu all of that nje isilungu like anything enhle ongayicabanga it's always nje inobulungu kuyo. God, what if I told you ukuthi some of those things, not even some, all of those things, although ziyisilungu, they are actually Easter. Okay, I will explain to you. Ngicela ukukazisa ukuthi angenzi lama video ukuthi asihlukanise njengabantu kodwa ngenza lama video ukuthi asifundise njengabantu ukuthi sibuya kuphi nokuthi thina sabantu abomdabu what can we achieve. Awusibangene. For your info, uwazi ukuthi abantu abamnyama baphatha Europe iminyaka u800. Yebo, ngikhuluma ngawo amaMoz. Ibutho elikhulu elinamandla laliphuma eAfrika, elaliphinde libe nezifundiso. Baphatha yona iSpain ukusukela unyaka ka711 to 1492. Well, bebangazange nje baphathe nje iSpain kuphela, kodwa baletha intuthuko aka civilization kuyonke iEurope. Ngaphambi kokuthi kufika amaMoz, iEurope yayi-in dark ages. Ngikhuluma ngendawo eyayingcolile, indawo eyayinganamfundo, indawo eyayinabantu abakholelwa ukuthi ukugeza kuyisono. Kodwa amaMoz, inkosi nezifundiso zaseAfrika zaletha ushintsho eEurope. Kokuqala babafundisa izibalo, ngikhuluma ngayo imathematics, babafundisa ufundo lwasemkhathini, ngikhuluma ngayo iastronomy, baphinde futhi babafundisa imithi, ngikhuluma ngayo imedicine, baphinde bababonisa ukuthi bangenza kanjani ukuthi imigwaqo yabo ikhanye. AmaMoz akha ama-library awu-70 ngesikhathi sokuthi eEurope kwakushiswa incwadi ngaleso sikhathi. AmaMoz afundisa wona ama-European ukwakha, ukulima, ngisho nako ukugcoka. Amazwi afana nabo algebra, chemistry, alcohol, amazwi aphuma kwilanguage yayo esi-Arabic, ilanguage eyeza nawo amaMoz eEurope. So mntazana mangawuza umuntu athi iAfrica did not have a civilization before kufika colonization, ngicela umhleke ngoba we were the first to master knowledge, to build cities and even teach the world. So mntana sekhaya ungakhohlwa ukuthi you come from greatness ngoba wona amaMoz abonisa ukuthi Africa is the mother of all civilization. So walk with pride because history is definitely on your side.